Have you ever seen a tiny dragonfly flying high above you and wondered how far can it go? What if I told you this little creature can travel farther than any bird or butterfly on earth? Meet the wandering glider, also called the globe skimmer, the most extraordinary traveler of the insect world. Scientifically known as Pantale flavescens, this golden yellow dragonfly is small, delicate, and light. But don't let its size fool you. It has a wingspan of around 8 to 9 centimeters and a body built perfectly for long distance flight. Its wings are broad and strong, designed to glide effortlessly with the wind, sometimes even across oceans. You'll find them almost everywhere, from India to Africa, from the Pacific Islands to America. In fact, it's said that Pantala flavescens is the most widely distributed dragonfly on the planet, living on every continent except Antarctica. Here's the mind-blowing part. This tiny insect travels around 18,000 kilometers, following the path of the monsoon winds. Every year, these dragonflies migrate from India to East Africa, crossing the vast Indian Ocean without stopping. Scientists believe they ride the high-altitude winds to save energy, gliding for hours above the clouds. What's more amazing, no single individual completes the journey. It takes 4 generations of dragonflies to finish one full migration cycle. That means the offspring of one traveler continues the journey started by their ancestors, guided by instincts written in their genes. But this story isn't just about adventure. Wandering gliders play a crucial role in our ecosystem. They control mosquito populations, act as food for birds and fish, and indicate the health of freshwater habitats. Wherever they are found, you'll know that water bodies nearby are clean and alive. NASA scientists once tracked their flight patterns using weather satellites and confirmed that Pantala flavescens can fly higher than 6,000 feet in the sky. They even cross oceans as wide as 3,500 kilometers, something no other insect species has ever achieved. This makes them not just a marvel of nature, but a living example of how even the smallest creatures can connect continents. So next time you see a golden dragonfly hovering above a pond or flying freely in the sky, remember, it might be on a journey that began thousands of miles away. A traveler without borders, a messenger of the monsoon. The wandering glider, the true globe-trotter of the insect world. If you love exploring the hidden wonders of nature, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more wild stories from the world around us.